Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about symptoms of Kali Yuga, the characteristics of Kali Yuga, the features of Kali Yuga. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavatam. Today I got purchased Srimad Bhagavatam, and this is Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. And I would have to say this is a most authentic source of Srimad Bhagavatam, because in Srimad Bhagavad Gita there was a narration about what Lord Krishna preached before Arjuna in the battle of Mahabharata. But in Srimad Bhagavatam, entire story of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu, means all the 10 incarnation, and Srimad Bhagavatam was preached by Sukdev Goswami to Maharaj Parikshit. Maharaj Parikshit was a son of Abhimanyu and son of Uttara, Abhimanyu's wife. So let's start the symptoms of Kali Yuga. Actually, I was in severe depression, I think almost 6 days. I was in severe trauma because something was happened, and I am not able to make all of you explain about what was happened. But now I am back, and now I want to work for the nation, work for the people. Now let's start to motivate the people, and I would have to request to all of you, never attempt to commit suicide, because this is, our life is very precious, no? Lord Krishna has given us certain liabilities, certain responsibilities, certain accountability to all of us. So our liabilities means we are liable to do some kind of action what Lord Krishna has prescribed for all of us. So unless we will not complete our prescribed duty, we have to live on this earth, and we have to survive, and we have to stay on this earth. Otherwise what will happen? Otherwise we will go into the Pret Yoni or some other Yoni. We will never achieve the supreme abode of Lord Krishna. So let's start about Srimad Bhagavatam and symptoms of Kali Yuga. कलयुग के क्या लक्षण हैं उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, कलयुग के लक्षण के बारे में. So let's start. And chapter number 2, canto number 12 canto, chapter number 2, verse number 1. श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी उवाच. सुखदेव गोस्वामी उवाच. ततस चानुदिनम धर्माः सत्यम शौचम समादयाः कालेन बलानि राजन नानक सत्य अयुर बलम स्मृति. Sukhdev Goswami stated, when Maharaj Parikshit asked about what are the symptoms of Kali Yuga, then here Sukhdev Goswami stated, then O king of religion, truthfulness, here listen it very carefully, dharma, religion, truthfulness, satyata, cleanliness, means like a dirty things, dirty mind or dirty character will be there. Tolerance, means people will have a low tolerance in Kali Yuga. Mercy, people will have a low mercy. People are not easily pardoned. People are not able to easily pardon to anyone. For people who would like to take a revenge and also punish the people. Duration of life will be very short and will be very low in Kali Yuga. Physical strength will be very low and memory will be very low. Will all diminish day by day because of the power of influence of the age of Kali. Means whenever Kali Yuga, the power of Kali Yuga, because of the power of Kali Yuga, the strength, religion, truthfulness, cleanliness, tolerance, mercy, duration of life, physical strength as well as a mental strength, people are getting an influence of Kali Yuga, the power of Kali Yuga. People will commit suicide, people will do all such irreligious thing, illegitimate thing to the people, to other people. People will not think what is dharma and what is adharma. People are only trying to fulfill their personal desire and expectation. So these all are symptoms of Kali Yuga. This is the first verse of chapter number 2 of 12th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. Here Sukhdev Goswami mentioned religion, truthfulness, cleanliness, tolerance, mercy, duration of life, physical strength and mental strength, these all will be diminished with the due course of the time because of the power of Kali Yuga, the age of Kali. In verse number 2, Vrittamev kalo runa janmachar gunodayah धर्म न्याय व्यवस्थानम कारणम बला इव ही. Here another features of Kali Yuga stated. In Kali Yuga, the wealth alone will be considered sign of man's good birth. Wealth, our property, money, financial assistance or finance, our finance in Kali Yuga, finance will be considered as a main good strength of the particular man, and the good strength of the good birth of the particular person. If the particular person has born in an aristocratic family, then that particular person is very strong and good person. Our finance, our investment, our finance, our economical condition will definitely determine whether we are good or bad. This is only happen in Kali Yuga. This is another symptoms. And proper behavior and 5 qualities means if the person who actually born in aristocratic family and the person who are having a wealth, the people who are having a wealth or property or finance, good finance or financial strength, only that kind of person will definitely consider as a good birth, proper behavior and fine qualities. Only that kind of people will have a fine quality. And law and justice will be applied only on the basis of the power, on one's power. Law and justice will definitely decide, will be based on the financial, on the basis of finance, on the basis of the economical condition of the particular person. This is what we can see. Because if the person who is actually economic strong, then he can purchase anything. He can purchase even the justice, even the law, even he can do anything. Whatever he has done, mischiefs or good or bad deeds, then he will definitely, because of his finance, he will surely bring him out from all kind of the law, all kind of criminal activities or all kind of misdeeds. So this is the another symptoms of Kali Yuga, further stated by Sukdev Goswami. दाम्पत्य बुहिर हेतुर दाम्पत्य जीवन दाम्पत्य बुहिर हेतुर मायाव व्यवहारिके स्त्रीत्वे पुंस्त्वे च हि रतिर विप्रस्तवे सूत्रमेव ही स्त्री and purusha, the relation between the husband and wife, the dampatya jivan, the marriage life, the man and woman, listen it very carefully. Here Shukdev Goswami stated, man and woman will live together merely because of superficial attraction. Because of superficial attraction, not transcendental love like Radha and Krishna, like Rukmani and Krishna. Because if there is a love, if there is a respect, then if there is a transcendental love, then people will support mentally, emotionally, financially, physically, or any aspect people will support. But here in this Kali Yuga, it has failed to do so. People are failed to do so. Because why? Because of the age of Kali Yuga, because of the power of the age Kali. And success in business, the particular person who is success in business, only that kind of person will definitely consider as his husband or his wife, her husband or wife. So this is all about womanliness and manliness will judge according to one's expertise in sex. How the person is sex, whether the person is good in a bad or sex or not. The particular person whether good or bad in a sex or not. Only because of the physical strength or sexual strength, the people will judge. And the man will be unknown. Man will be known as a Brahmana just by wearing a thread. Man will be known as a Brahmana just by wearing a thread. In this current scenario, people who are actually wearing a thread, they are only known as a Brahmana because they have worn a sacred sacred thread. Sukdev Goswami further stated, दूरे वायन तीर्थ लावण्य केश धारणम उदर भरता स्वार्थ सत्य तेव धर्मष्टमेव ही द्राक्ष्य कुटुंब भरण यशस्व धर्म सेवनम. Here Sukdev Goswami stated, a sacred place will be taken to consist no more than a reservoir of the water located at a distance. A beauty will be thought to depend on one's hairstyle. In this current scenario, because of the people hairstyle, we are actually thinking that particular girl is beautiful and the particular man is beautiful because of his or her hairstyle. And this is mentioned in this Brahma means Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam. Filling the belly will become a goal of life. Means हमारा stomach पेट भरना, it is only single objective of the human life. And one who is audacious will be accepted as a truthful, and who can maintain a family will be regarded as an expert man. The particular person who has maintained his family and fulfilled all the desire of his family man, then that person is only known as an expert. So this is same thing is happened with me. I am not taking care of my father, my family, then they are saying that you are not expert, you are not good person. But I am taking care of the thousand of the people. I am always thinking about the society. I am always thinking about my nation, my people, my land, my soil, my society. Then I am not considered as a good person because I am not. I mean, my power, my strength would not be limited with my family. I am not bound with my family because of this reason. I am not good person. So this is mentioned in Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam. We all have to broaden our views. We have to think about each and every living entity on this material earth or material world. And he who can maintain a family will be regarded as an expert man, and the principle of religion will be observed only for sake of reputation. Means principle of religion only observed because of sake of reputation. People are actually running behind the reputation. If what will happen if I will not do this kind of yagna or this kind of belief or like a pagpala and something like that, if the particular person is not perform, then what will other people think if the particular person is not perform this kind of religious belief and this kind of religious principles. Further, Sukdev Goswami stated, the citizen will suffer greatly from cold, wind, heat, rain and snow. This is what we can feel in this current scenario. They will be further tormented by quarrels, hunger, thirst, disease and also severe anxiety. Actually, I was in severe anxiety, but with the grace of Lord Sri Hari Krishna, Sri Hari Vishnu, I came out from particular severe anxiety because something was happened with me, and I would have to say, I am very frank to say, because however I am follower Srimad Bhagavad Gita, but I am not able to control my mind. I am not able to conquer my mind, but I am trying my level best to conquer my mind. Because it is very, I am very frank to say, and people are hiding what the particular person, I am not some kind of, I don't want to show off only my good part. I also want to show my bad part. I am very bad in many things. People are thinking Riten is very bad person, but I am always thinking about the people, society, and whoever are associated with me. I am always thinking about the people, because I don't want to allow anyone to commit suicide to end up their life. I would like to keep myself hunger in order to feed someone. This is my personality. My personality is there to feed someone, and I keep myself in hunger. So this is the reason. I am always thinking about the people. So I am not good son. I am not good son-in-law as well. So people are thinking like that. and people are the person who are actually bound by family, only taking care of his or her family, that person is too good and expert, and the particular person has a good character who is taking care of his family. This is the symptoms of Kali Yuga. This is happen in Kali Yuga, and in means around us this is only happen. त्रिशतत विशति वर्षाणु परमाणु कलो नृणाम. Here said maximum duration of life for human beings of Kali Yuga will become 50 years. This is mentioned in Bhagavatam. 50 means 50 years, maximum 50 years. And the maximum human life, maximum life of human being is 50 years. This is mentioned in this particular Bhagavatam. So we all have to read Srimad Bhagavatam and we all have to follow. And husband-wife relation, something like if the particular husband is success in business and the particular person has a good property, then girl will surely stand with the particular person. Otherwise the girl will never support to her husband, whether emotionally, mentally or physically, as well as many things, many aspects are there. Uncultured man will accept the charity on behalf of the Lord. Means listen it very, uncultured man will accept the charity on behalf of the Lord and will earn their livelihood by making a show of austerity and wearing the mendicant dress. And those who knows nothing about religion will mount a high seat. Who know nothing about, the people who know nothing about religion will mount at a high seat and presume to speak on religious principle. This is stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Presume to speak on religion. The people like me, actually I don't know anything about religion. However, I am speaking about religion. However, I am speaking about Srimad Bhagavatam. Because of His grace, I am not doer of anything. Because there's whatever has happened in my life as well as other people's life, there's all are only and only because of His grace. Because He wanted, He has a plan to do so. Otherwise, nothing has happened in this world, in our life. We are not able to do anything without His wish, without His desire. Because Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, means He is watching each and every human being. He is observing each and every human being, because He is seated in each and every living entity's heart. So we have to think like this. So these all are about, and means I also want to add a few symptoms: religion, truthfulness, cleanliness, tolerance, mercy, duration of life, physical strength, memory, and also mental strength will also be diminished day by day because of the power of influence of the Kali Yuga. This is what I have mentioned earlier at the beginning of this lecture. So these all are symptoms of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga. And Kalki Avatara will definitely come on this earth and finish all such a things, and he will begin, he will commence, he will start Satya Yuga after killing of all the miscreants. So we all have to understand, मन बुद्धि शरीर हृदय और आत्मा, मन बुद्धि शरीर हृदय और आत्मा जब शांत और स्थिर हो जाते हैं ना, तब हमारा मन हृदय करुणा से भर जाता है, और जब हमारे अंदर करुणा स्थापित हो जाती है ना, तो उसको हम कहते हैं धर्म. So we all have to follow. Compassion, another name of the dharma is compassion, mercy, showing a mercy, pardon power, pardoning. We have to pardon someone. We have to give a mercy. We have to show mercy on the people, because some people who have done a mistake in his life, then other people, actually the brave people only able to pardon, to give a pardon to someone. So if you are having any questions, any doubt, anything related with the symptoms of Kali Yuga, then you can put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.